Hello guys, I'm Bed and today I'm going to talk about how to upgrade your Laravel 5.4 applications into Laravel 5.7. So let's get started. Here I have a project opened in VS Code which is in Laravel 5.4. To make sure it is in Laravel 5.4, I'm going to show that the Laravel version. You can run Laravel version you can get Laravel version by PHP artisan capital -B, and you got Laravel 5.4.36 right there. And moreover, there are some commands which is not available in Laravel 5.4 and which is available in Laravel 5.7, that is like PHP artisan, migrate, and phrase. It is not available in Laravel 5.4 and which will be available in Laravel 5.7. So so we get error right here, and while we finished our upgrade to Laravel 5.7, then this command will drop all the tables migrations and recreate all the tables in database. But here we got error, so let's upgrade our applications. Let's go to our applications, open in VS Code and go to the composer.json file. The best idea to upgrade your Laravel applications to a current version is to go to the GitHub repositories of Laravel. And here is the Laravel GitHub repository. It is a master branch, and this is a composer.json files, which is quite different than our composer.json in 5.4. And there is there is PHP requirement is just 5.6, and in 5.7 Laravel 5.7 this is 5.7.1.3 is our PHP requirement, and there are few changes, few extra requirement is here, and few packages has been upgraded to newer versions. Alright, so we can just copy and replace all of these requirement to our composer.json. So I will paste here, and this is 5.7. this is explicitly my application requirement, Laravel course. So you may not have this in your Laravel applications. This may not have used in your applications, and this is also GraphQL also may not. It's just for me or me. You have to, if you are using such kind of application, you have to go to their repository and check out the version, compatible version for 5.7, and we have to remove this 5.4. Socialite, I think Socialite has not been upgraded yet. Otherwise you have to check out whether it is upgraded or not in Laravel 5.7. Tinker is just fine, but I want to replace with that one. And Pusher may have been upgraded to newer version, just we need to check it out later. So there are some development requirement, and I want to replace these guys, all of these. So just copy and paste. We got some extra components package, and PHP unit is upgraded to 7.0, and okay, so we got upgrade that, all of that, and I think you can just replace all of these by all of these. Just copy and just don't replace, because we are trying to replace that. But in the autoload folder I have a file called helpers file. I want to autoload that. It is a helper file, so I want to autoload. If you are not using that helper file, then you don't have to do this. Just replace all of that this component like autoload skills. Now I can remove this. even config, so this is just fine. Yeah, we replace all of our requirement to most of our requirements, but we have to check out whether some packages have to upgrade or not, because PHP pusher, may have been upgraded to a newer version. It was in 2.6, was in 5.4. Socialite may have been upgraded or in newer version. So you have to check it out whether it is upgraded or not between 5.4 and 5.7. So the best idea is you have to look in every upgrades from 5.4, like 5.4 to 5.7, 5.4 to 5.5, and 5.5 to 5.6, and also 5.6 to 5.7. So let's check it out. So in Laravel 5.4 to Laravel 5.5, there are few dependencies. These things are we have to add these scripts, but in Laravel 5.7 it is we already upgrade to Laravel 5.7. This scripts parts is done while replacing the composer.json file from Laravel 5.7. So we don't need to do this. And I think pusher is, we got docs is upgraded, pusher is also upgraded to 3.0. so you have to I have to replace that to 2.6 by 3.0. So if you are using other components like Swift Mailer, you have to upgrade to 6.0, and this is artisan command. You need to paste that in. You have to paste that right there. You need to check out all of these things, right? What are the requirements? But you don't have to actually upgrade to Laravel 5.4 to Laravel 5.5. You just can do like you directly upgrade from your application from Laravel 5.4 to Laravel 5.7. Actually, you can do upgrade from whatever your version to your newest version of Laravel. And you have to check it out. These things I'm not using these other things, and I think you can even check out what are the improvement in Laravel 5.5 to Laravel 5.6. And if you are using this kind of stuff, you have to manually upgrade. But feed loop is 4.0. We already have done that because we have directly upgrading from Laravel 5.0, so it is in. So we don't have to check that much. So so we just have to looked into the other packages which is not required in default Laravel 5.7. So passport, Scout. If you are using this kind of stuff, you need to upgrade to these versions. Then I think we have to upgrade all the components packages required in Laravel 5.7. so we can run like composer update command to upgrade our Laravel. So just run it, and it takes some amount of time to upgrade to newer version. And if something went wrong while upgrading to newer version, you can just recheck what are the dependencies required for Laravel 5.7, what are the compatible version in Laravel 5.7, and then again you can use up their dependencies and just you can just try it. It starts to install, removing some components which may not be required in Laravel 5.7 and which may have changed in Laravel 5.7. Some of them are upgrading and some of them are installing. And You can see that it is, these things are upgrading. Yeah, now it's done. Oh, let's check whether it is in 5.7 by running. Yeah, you can run this. Yeah, and we got 5.7.19 version, which is the latest Laravel version. And as I mentioned earlier, and you can run like command like php artisan migrate phrase, and this command was not available in Laravel 5.4, and it should be available in Laravel 5.7. Yeah, it's working. Yeah, and okay, we're done. Yes, congratulations. That's it.